have a note here. So we have learned already what is AM and PM, right students? So AM stands for anti-meridian, that is before noon. The time from midnight to noon, it is called as AM. When it comes to PM, PM stands for post meridian, that is afternoon. So the time from noon to midnight. So AM stands for anti-meridian, PM stands for post-meridian. So when it comes to 12 noon or 12 midnight, it is called neither AM or PM. Here we have the fourth problem. Say what time it will be. So let us first see the first question. 8 hours before noon. As we know what is noon, that is 12. So when it is 12 noon, when they're asking you to find before 12 noon, that is 8 hours before 12 noon, what will be your answer? Your answer will be 4. Since it is noon, you will call the before as the answer of 4 a.m. So 12 noon before 8 hours is your answer is 4 a.m. So let us see the second question. We have 2 hours before midnight. So midnight is also called as 12. So 12 midnight before 2 hours. So 2 hours before the midnight, your answer will be 10 p.m. So since it is midnight before 2 hours, it will be 10 p.m. So let us see the next question. We have 12 hours before 5 a.m. So since it is 5 a.m., we are going to go backward for 12 hours. When you go backward for 12 hours, your answer will be 5 p.m. So 5 a.m. before 12 hours is 5 p.m. So here we have the sixth subdivision, 6 hours before 1 p.m. So we have 1 p.m. We are going to count it for 6 hours back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since it is p.m. and we have 1 p.m., if that is going to be backward, so what is your answer, students? 7 a.m. So 1 p.m. before 6 hours equal to 7 a.m. So always think of when it is a.m., that is morning. When you talk about p.m., it starts from noon and p.m. will be for till midnight. Midnight will always be 12 a.m. So students, here we have the next question, 7th. Find the difference between the largest 6-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. So as we know, find the difference. Difference is nothing but subtraction. So the largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. So what is your smallest 5-digit number? That is 10,000. When you going to subtract here, what will be your difference? 9,89,999. So students, these are today's homework. So you can copy all the questions from the textbook. Remember students, you have to do all the homework sums in the homework note. Whatever I am sending you in PDF, you can write it in your classwork. So from new note, you can start writing from the chapter 2. From the chapter 2, you can start writing in your new note. It is not necessary you have to write the chapter 1 in the new note. Remember, you can write chapter 2. From chapter 2, you can start writing in your new note, and all these homework sums you have to do it only in the homework note. Regularly you have to do it, students, and I will attach all the homework answers in the PDF. You cross check your answer. If your answers are correct, please put a tick. If your answers are wrong, write the answer again, rewrite it again. So thank you children.